My brothers and sisters, let me share with you some secrets. For generations, countless distractions have been thrown at us, the children of Africa, to keep us from knowing the true beauty of our heritage. These distractions are not accidental. They are carefully woven into systems of power, wealth, and selfish ambition by the governments and rulers of this world. Yet, we must remember our land is more than soil. It is a living library of knowledge, healing, and life itself. Every plant, every root, every leaf on African soil carries within it a secret of endurance, of wellness, and of eternity. The key to living fully, even living beyond what we imagine, rests in the treasures of our environments. But we cannot unlock these treasures through destruction. But we can only achieve this purpose by aligning with the very reason for our creation. Whenever we think of progress, we must also think of our beautiful heritage. For existence flows from essence, and essence is the heartbeat of creation. Let us rise not as consumers of the earth, but as custodian of its wisdom. Let us discover the plants, the knowledge, and the power embedded in our land, not for greed, but for life, for unity, and for the future. Africa, let us rise.